Conveyor system. Presentation. What is the conveyor system? This is a type of mechanical handling equipment that moves things from one place to another, which is known as the conveyor system. Conveyors are very helpful in situations where large or bulky products must be transported. Conveyors have been widely used in the material handling and packaging sectors because they allow for the speedy and effective delivery of a wide range of products. They're also popular with customers, as they're frequently found at supermarkets and airports, where they serve as the final leg of an item's bag delivery to customers. Conveying systems come in a variety of shapes and sizes, and they're employed to meet the demands of numerous sectors. There are also chain conveyors, both below and above. Chain conveyors include enclosed tracks, I-beam, tow-line, power-free, and hand-pushed trolleys. Benefits of a conveyor system: eliminating or minimizing manual labor, reducing the risk of accidents, increasing efficiency and productivity, ensuring food safety and maintaining quality standards. Industries where it is used. Because of the multiple benefits that conveyor systems provide, they are widely employed across a variety of sectors. Conveyors can securely carry items from one place to another, which is hard to do and costly if done by humans. They can transfer loads of different shapes, sizes, and weights and can be mounted practically anywhere. This makes them far safer than using a forklift or other machine to transport items. Many also have improved safety counts that aid in the prevention of accidents. How to maintain conveyor systems. A conveyor system is frequently the lifeblood of a firm's ability to transfer goods safely and on time. There should be regular inspections and system audits, and constant monitoring of motors and reducers. The other needed factor is keeping important components in stock. The firm should give a thorough education to the staff and all seem to be in action, which a firm must take to ensure that it runs at peak capacity. Selecting the correct conveyor type, system design, and regular checkup plans, which are the major elements in prolonging the life of a conveyor system. By using an efficient process, a smartly built conveyor system will endure for a long time. Overhead conveyor systems have been used in a variety of venues. We can also include retail displays, production lines, or paint finishing plants, among others. Types of conveyors: aeromechanical conveyor, chain-driven live roller conveyor, automotive conveyor, drag conveyor, belt conveyor, a dust-proof conveyor, belt-driven live roller conveyor, system of electric track vehicles, bucket conveyor, flexible conveyor, chain conveyor, gravity conveyor, gravity skate wheel conveyor, conveyor belt made of plastic, shaft roller conveyor, pneumatic conveyor, the motorized roller conveyor, screw or auger conveyor, overhead I-beam conveyor, spiral conveyor, overland conveyor, conveyance of tubular galleries, vacuum conveyor, vibrating conveyor, walking beam, wire mesh conveyor. Why Dewan Project Tech? Dewan Project Tech ensures timely supply of goods and equipment and also factors in transit insurance. We can customize as per each client's needs. Finding the right vendor to meet your needs in all commercial and technical fields can be difficult. We work in a professional nature to fulfill the supply on time with regard to the quality factor as per firm norms. We keep secrecy to maintain our business ethics while dealing with clients. Ensure the manufacturing department gets the supply without delay, taking control of the cost and process execution in line with multiple vendors, evaluating, selecting, and auditing the vendor in accordance with the customer's requirements with various vendors of the same specifications and maintain the quality standards. The 4 R's are essential. The right place, the right quality, the right time, and the right price. We would get the suppliers on board at a genuine price. Contact us at the given below address and follow us on our social media and also share on your social networks.